got something unique that makes you special, and a helping hand can always take it to another level. It's so much fun to be in rehearsals again. It's been so long since we've been able to do that. Oh, since I've been able to do that.
Yeah.
I know you guys were in Dubai, but it's really nice and refreshing. And this choreography is so fun because like we all get to like dance with each other. Like the guys get to dance with like almost every single girl, and it's just, well, every girl gets to dance with the guy, right?
Yeah.
At one point or another. It's pretty cool. I have a lot of fun doing this dance. So.
Yeah.
Great.
It's something we've never done before too. Yeah. It's very
All
different.
around the world, all around the world, and we know how to do it, and we know